Would you follow the tracks north and remove any nests you find for me? I'll keep an eye on things from here. Dad. Big sad. I've watched loads of Thomas the Tank Engine. I understand the plight of the rail industry. I'm not memeing. I mean, there's all sorts of shenanigans happen to Thomas that you just wouldn't expect. Don't fuck with Thomas. Thomas is big. The Great Crane Train documentary, Thomas the Tank Engine. It does. It happens to us several times. You'll be in the middle of like Ishtola's just died, and then it goes Lahi. It just like the song itself is fine. It just has some really just improper moments. That's all.